What's up guys, welcome back to ATC Every Trader Circle. Today we're breaking down something every trader needs before entering the market, a proper gold trading plan. Most people jump into XAUUSD with no structure, no checklist and no routine. That's why they panic, they overtrade and get inconsistent results. But when you follow a clear plan, direction, structure, liquidity and extend every zone, entry timing, everything becomes more controlled. Alright, so in this video I will show you I built my gold trading plan step by step and the exact things I look at before taking any trade and how I keep my decisions simple and consistent. So in this video I will show you how I built my gold trading plan step by step, the exact things I look at before taking any trade and how I keep my decisions simple and consistent. So alright guys, let's jump straight in. Okay guys, so our main topic, April Gold Trading Plan. Okay, so this will be our main topic. Okay, so let's start with main topic first. Okay, so the subtopic, which is we got two topics. Okay, and main topic we do have two topics. Okay, so April Trading Plan. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, this is my trading plan. So I hope you guys can follow this trading plan. Okay, so for this trading plan, it's very simple. This month we do have 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Alright, let's check first. So we got 2, 3, 4 weeks, right, in 1 month. So this is the first week, right? Second, third, fourth. So now week 1 we do have 5 days, right? Everyone knows that, right? For trading, because Saturday and Sunday market is closed, okay, unless we trade BTC, right, Bitcoin. So for normal market like currency, gold, which is commodities, okay, like silver, stuff like that, will open on Monday until Friday only. Okay, so week 1 I'm gonna use 200 USD. Okay, and this 200 USD account, okay, I will try grow until 2000 USD. Okay, so 200 to 2000 USD from Monday until Friday. Okay, so week 1 is here. Okay, 7 until 11. Okay, week 2 14 until 18. Alright, so week 2 I'm gonna start with 500 USD, 5 to 5000 USD. Okay, Monday to Friday. Alright, week 3 I'm gonna grow from 1000 until 10,000 USD from Monday to Friday. Same, all is same. Okay, okay, so for third week, okay, 21 until 25. Okay, week 4 we start back to 200 USD until 2000 or maybe 1005 also okay. Okay, so this one from 28 until 2nd May. 2nd May. Okay, how you guys can see it clearly and understand what I said. Okay, so this is my plan. Alright, how many accounts, sir? I'm gonna use worst case maybe 3 account maximum. For 200 USD I will prepare at least like 5 accounts, and for 500 USD I will prepare for 3 accounts. What makes my signals different? They are guided by strategy, explained with mapping and supported with education. No blind entries, just clarify. Join today and see quality yourself. 1000 USD, maybe 2 accounts. Okay, why this one 5 account? Because we're gonna use 200 USD. If let's say this 200 USD grow to 500, okay, so let's see. Okay, this one 4, week 1 and 4. Okay, trading style, how I'm going to trade the 200 USD to 500 USD. Okay, 200 USD and 500 USD. Okay, I'm going to trade medium risk, medium or low risk, depends on the market situation. Okay, if the market is so hard for us to predict, then we're going to proceed with low risk. Okay, if the market is easy and for us to predict, we're going to use medium risk. Okay, what is medium risk and what is low risk? Okay, the way how you layering. Okay, because some of you might still don't know how to layering, how much lot should put. Okay, like 200 USD, how much layer? Okay, for 500, how many? If you ask me, okay, you wait. Okay, for that I'm going to stick with medium risk for 1000 USD. Okay, okay, but before that, okay, for 1000 USD I'm going to stick with medium risk. Okay, because I want fast. Okay, because our target is 10k USD. Okay, it's far. If you use 0.01, when you're going to grow to $10,000. Okay, because for me 1000 USD account, okay, to be honest, okay, it's bullshit. Okay, if you use 0.01, okay, because you're gonna do multiple layering. Okay, we can use 0.01 but many layering. Okay, so our risk and reward, okay, it's very flexible. Okay, alright, risk for me is fixed. Okay, so it's normal for traders. Okay, our risk maximum is 50 pips. If market normal, okay, if not normal, even M1 60 pips, okay, or 70 pips or 100 pips, we're going to increase our risk. Okay, max is maybe up to 70 pips. Okay, this one I have to increase the risk. Okay, because the market is not normal, if volatile or big contract. Okay, if the contract is so big, let's say M1 is 60 pips, okay, or maybe 100 pips, okay, it's very bullshit. Okay, so I'm going to increase the risk. Okay, and also for reward. Okay, this one people like because maybe when you start trading, you make your first sifu. Okay, then your sifu say, oh, we're gonna focus on reward only, we're gonna make profit only, no loss. Okay, in here we do have loss. I'm not saying that always loss, no, I'm saying that depends on the market. Like nowadays market is like shit. Okay, like ping pong. Yeah, so we cannot do anything about it sometimes. You cannot force me, oh, why the market like this, sir? Do something, sir. Bitch, what? You want me to go to the Wall Street there and slap their face, is it? I cannot do anything. Okay, so like it or not, you have to face it. Okay, that's why I said if the market volatile or the market have a big contract on that day, I'm going to increase the risk to 60 to 70 pips or maybe 100 pips. Okay, so the reward for, if there's a market normal, okay, it will be 100 pips. Okay, market normal. Actually not 100 pips. Okay, 30 pips up to 60 pips if the market normal. Okay, okay, reward, let's say the market is volatile. Okay, so we're going to increase our risk to 70 pips. Okay, so the reward will be maybe 50 pips to 200 pips. And don't be shocked. Okay, sir, why your TP is so far? Okay, 200 pips. Okay, you see M1 is already like 80 to 100 pips. Okay, maybe like 3 candle already 200 or 300 pips. That's why don't shock if I put 200 pips for TP. Okay, because our risk is 70 pips. Okay, if you can hold 70 pips, why you cannot hold for 200 pips? Why? Right? If the market volatile, big contract, right? So the zone and risk, that's why you must understand. Okay, my zone and my risk, you must understand. Let's talk about normal market. Okay, our risk is 50 pips, right? If my zone is 10 pips, meaning my SL will be 40 pips. If my zone is 20 pips, my SL is 30 pips. If my zone is 30 pips, my SL will be 20 pips. And if my zone is 40 pips, my SL will be 10 pips. Understand? equal is 50 pips, equal is 50 pips, all same, 50 pips. This is my risk, okay, then this is my zone, okay. 10 pips zone is equal to 40 pips risk, which is SL, alright. In total is 50 pips. I'm going to mark the zone based on the candle, okay. If the candle give me 50 pips, okay, so one more, 1,200 profit all come from one setup. This wasn't a lie, it came from the same structure. I repeat every day. I mark my zone, you wait for the signals and strike with discipline. Don't miss tonight's setup. Join my Telegram channel now before the next entry trigger. What if the zone is 50 pips, say, okay. If the zone is 50 pips, okay, that means the market is volatile and big contract. So I'm going to put the SL is 20 pips, so equal to 70 pips if market like shit. Gold trading plan is like this, okay. How many accounts, stuff like that, okay, for week 1, week 2. So for this one, I'm going to put like this. Risk and reward, risk management, trading style. Okay, this area I think should be fine. Up. Okay. Okay, can take screenshot, okay, if you guys want. So this one is recap, okay. Per gold trading plan. Week 1 $200 USD, week 4 $200 USD up to 2,000 USD. 7 April up to 11 April. For week 4, 28 April to 2nd May. Alright. For the second week, okay, we start with 500 USD and we're going to go to 5,000 USD, which is on 14 April up to 18 April. Okay. So week 3, 1,000 USD grow to 10,000 USD from 21st April up to 25th April. Okay. So this is my account that I will use. How many accounts? The 200 USD I'm going to open at least 500 account for week 1 and week 4. For 500 USD 3 account, 1,000 USD 2 account. Okay. Trading style, 200 USD and 500 USD, medium and low risk. Okay, I'm going to trade with medium and low risk. Okay, so 1,000 USD medium risk only, and gold trading plan. Our risk and reward maximum is 50 pips if market is normal. Okay, risk maximum is 70 pips if volatile and big contract. Okay, for reward 30 pips to up to 100 pips if the market normal. Alright, reward for if the market is volatile or big contract, 50 pips up to 200 pips. Usually I'm going to set break even when the price already running for 30 pips or 50 pips. Okay, because we don't know until when the price going to go up or go down. If let's say if you entry buy, we don't know until where the price going to go up, but we only can predict by using order block technique. Right, maybe the price going to reach the order block, maybe the price going to break the order block, maybe the price going to respect the order block. We don't know that. Maybe suddenly the price going to reverse from the buy, suddenly straight spike down. That's why we set break even. Okay, it's very important. Okay, this is my zone, which is the risk. One more thing I want to remind you guys. Okay, this one. So let's say we trade using 200 pip, 200 USD, 500 USD or 1,000 USD, right? How to secure our entry? This one is very important, and I want you guys to focus on this one. It doesn't matter how much is your account. Okay, if let's say I put 200 USD or 500 USD or 1,000 USD, let's say per trade I put 10 layering 0.01, 0.02, 0.05. It doesn't matter. Okay, how many layering I'm gonna put. Okay, right? Okay, when the price running profit above 30 pips, gonna close 90% of my layering. Why? It's because we are scalper. If let's say you put 10 layering 0.01, 0.02, 0.05, it doesn't matter. Okay, when the price running 30 pips, yeah, above 30 pips, okay, I'm going to close 90% of my layering. This one I forgot. And set, I'm going to set break even for remaining layering. Okay, so example, so I got 10 layering, price running for 30 pips. I'm going to close 90%. Oh my god, what is this, man? What is happening? Okay, 90%, which is 9 layering. 9 layering close, 1 layer, 1 more layer, set break even. 37 layering. Maybe by that time you got possessed by some devil, ask you to put 37 layering. Alright, same thing happened. 90%, you close. What the hell is this, man? Okay, 90% layering. Okay, which is just close 36 layering close, and something happened. Okay, one more layering, set PE. Understand or not? So yeah, that's about how to secure your entry. You guys understand? What will be the lot size? It's very simple. Okay, if you want to put 200 USD 0.5, 0.02, up to you. Okay, for me, I'm going to trade by using medium risk. Okay, which I'm going to put 0.05. Okay, a bit like 3 layers, 4 layers. Okay, right? So now let's talk about time frame. Okay, because a lot of you, especially beginner, they don't exactly understand how time frame works. Okay, they're scared when H4, H1, okay, or maybe daily, okay, weekly, when they change time frame, their entry will be gone. Okay, they're scared of that. Okay, it doesn't matter which time frame you entry actually. Okay, you open your MT5, MT4, okay, you entry buy sell, you open M5, you entry there. Don't scare. Okay, your entry will be there. Okay, so why we need time frame? So time frame is for us to do analysis. So time frame is basically for us to do analysis on what? Okay, what analysis? For us to decide to entry buy or sell. So basically, okay, all the time frame have their own pattern. Is it pattern or style, something like that? Okay, I just put here pattern. All right, so pattern to do analysis, simple as that. Okay, for time frame. All right, so now that's about it about time frame. About objective, what is our objective? Because your problem is, okay, right now is when we need to close our entry, when we can withdraw. How much capital should us to make profit? How to maximize our profit and minimize our losses? How much I want in a day, in a week, or a month, right? So now your objective is very simple. Grow your bank account first. Not your MT4, not your MT5, but your bank account. So far, understand or not? What is your objective? Right? Grow your bank account, not your MT4 account, not your MT5 account. Right? Because some trader out there, okay, some seafood out there, after you're making profit, they will tell you, oh, don't withdraw your profit. Tomorrow we're going to grow some more. We're going to grow our account. But which account? If let's say you grow profit in your MT4, MT5 account, right? You grow for 3 days straight, right? How sure are you that the next day when you trade, you're not going to lose? How sure are you? Not sure, right? Whatever profit you make, okay, whatever, okay, just withdraw. Whatever profit Doesn't matter how much you are making in a day, please withdraw. Okay, because we are talking about more than 50 pips daily target, not below. Okay, but below, and still if you decide to withdraw, just withdraw. Okay, because I won't hold your money. Okay, that is your money, that is your decision. Okay, because you are the one that making profit. Okay, you have to decide, withdraw or close. 1,200 profit all come from one setup. This wasn't a luck. It came from the same structure I repeat every day. I mark my zone, you wait for the signals, and strike with discipline. Don't miss tonight's setup. Join my Telegram channel now before the next entry trigger. And trade some more. Okay? You the one who decide. Doesn't matter how much you make in a day, please withdraw. I'm not like others. If you don't withdraw, okay? Please. Okay. I'm the only IB that asks client to withdraw. And I'm not other sifu that selling cost. You have to pay me monthly subscription, or 100 USD, 500 USD. I'm not like that, okay? That's just bullshit. Okay? So, this one done, right? This is the answer, okay? Why we need to close our entry? In LTC, right, our trading style is basically scalping, not swing, but scalping. Okay, this is our trading style. Okay, how much we want, it doesn't matter the price still running or still running profit. It doesn't matter as long as the price running more than 30 pips. Make sure close 90% of your layering. What is layering? Layering is basically instead you entry one time, you can entry multiple times by breaking down your total lot size. Okay, if let's say you plan to entry per setup, you want to entry 0.10, why not you just split your lot total lot size, okay, into 0.01 into 10 layer total. So still in total you will get around 0.10 still. Why not just split? Instead of you put one layer straight 0.10. How to layering? Each 2 until 10 pips, right? You can start at another layering entry, sorry. Each 2, 3, 4 up to 10 pips, right? You can start at another layering. Why like this? Why? If let's say when you make entry, okay, you do have zone, you make an entry, right? Let me draw for you, so easy for you to understand. Okay, so this is zone. Example, the zone is 30 pips. Okay, the price coming down, pop, enter the zone. Just make your first entry here by 0.01. When the price go down some more, okay, like I said, each 2 until 10 pips. It doesn't matter 3 pips or 5 pips, 7 pips, doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. If the price go down, right, add more layering. Okay, like this. The price go down some more, add more layering until 10 layering. If the price go down some more, then only you add layering. If the price stop here and started go up, don't add layering. Price go up and don't add layering. Only add layering when the price go down. Same goes to sell. If the price keep on going up, then only you layering, and the price start running profit like going down or sell, don't add layering. Okay, how about let's say the price straight away go down and break the zone or come out from the area, can we still add more layering? Sure, why not? Why not? Right? Until when and where we can add our layering? Right? Until the price hit our SL. That's the answer. Okay, if let's say your SL here zone 30 or 40 pips or 50 pips, maybe SL 30 pips, 40 pips maybe, right? You can still add more layering until the price on the way hit our asset, alright? So why we need to add layering outside the zone? If we only stop layering, let's say we stop layering, okay, and the price come up, then we stop layering, right? When the price go up, let's say the price go up for 30 pips, okay, from this area, and the price started when it go up, another 30 pips, right, like this, you still in loss. Why? Because you did not layer this area. You did not layer this area. So instead of you put 0.10, just split your lot size into 0.01, put 10 layering. Okay, so what is the benefit we do layering? What is the benefit? The benefit is very simple. If you put 0.010, okay, one layer, right, and then price floating for 10 pips, your total loss will be 10 USD, right? 10 pips floating will be 10 USD. But if you split into 10 layering, which is like this, in different spot, not at the same spot, 10 layering, but different spot, okay? Your 10 pips floating will be worst case 7 to 9 USD. It won't touch 10 USD, maybe 5. That's why when you see I start layering, right, let's say the zone is big, 50 pips zone, 30 pips asset, okay, overall 80 pips, the pips risk, right? So when I floating 50 pips, okay, I put my total lot size, right, sometimes like what, 3.0, 3.00, 4.00, 5.00, but my floating, overall floating for 50 pips, 60 pips or 70 pips is like 30 pips floating. Why? It's because I know where and when I need to start layering and I need to stop layering, alright? You guys don't have that yet. Why? Okay, because you don't have the experience. You need that experience. How to get that experience? By doing this. If you don't want to put 10 layering, you can try 0.2, 0.02 with 5 layer. But if you ask me, I still prefer 0.01 in 10 layering, okay? Because once you master 0.01, then you can up for 0.02, okay? And it's totally different, okay? Overall different, okay? If you use 0.10 in account, your profit will come like what? 10 cents? $1? It's not worth it, okay? If you use this kind of lot size. Send account are meant for you to put more. If you put 0.10, you put 1.00 or 5.00, but split like 0.50 each layering, okay, 6 layering, 10 layering, 0.5, 0.20, 0.30, doesn't matter. This one is for send account, okay? But this one, all this I suggest for standard, okay? So when we need to close our entry is where the price already running in profit and more than 30 pips, and make sure close 90% of your layering. 90% is very simple, okay? Doesn't matter how many layering you put, okay? Let's say you put 20 layering, 30 layering, 29 layering, 25, 24 layering, 11, 7 layering, okay? It doesn't matter how many layering, okay, you put. If for the price running, okay, when the price running profit more than 30 pips or exactly 30 pips, up to you, right? You see, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example, we put 5 layering, alright? This one you close, this one you close, close, close. So this one you set break even. Okay, this is your asset, right? You move and put right above your entry point. Why? It's because let's say the price going down by right, it touch our SL, this entry will automatically close in profit. Okay, this is what we call break even. For those wondering, right, what is you move your SL to entry point, okay, below your if the price reverse, if you put your SL below the entry point, okay, you will close in loss. Okay, so far you understand or not? How did I flip 100 into 5,000 in a week? It's that simple. Follow tested signals, manage risks, and repeat the system. That's what my group gets every single day. Click now, today's signals are dropping soon. We move on to the next topic, which is how much capital suits us to make profit. Actually, doesn't matter, okay? If let's say you have $1,000, right? Let's say you have 1,000 USD, but your money management fuck, right? They will lose somehow, lose all, okay? So to grow your account, right? Deposit more than 200 USD. Why? Because for me, I already tried several times. 100 USD for me, okay? 100 USD so hard for me to grow. I will use at least 200 USD to grow. Why? Because I used to trade big account and my lot size is consistent. It won't change. Even my account already grow, I won't change my lot size. I will stick with one lot size. I will change once I hit my target. If let's say, oh, I want this account to grow 200,000 USD or 5,000 USD, then only I will change my lot size. Once hit the target, then I will change. If not, I won't change, okay? So deposit more than 200 USD, try use 0.03 or 0.02. 10 layering, okay? How much you need to make profit for 200 USD per day? More than 50 pips USD, 50 USD is enough. Actually 50 USD in Malaysia is enough, alright? But if you think 50 USD is not enough, that one's your problem, not my problem. Okay, simple as that. Okay, your capital, your profit. Okay, I don't know your appetite. Your trading appetite, I don't know. Okay, how much you want, how greedy are you in the market? Okay, I don't know. But for me, 200 USD, more than 50 USD profit is just enough. Okay, it's just nice. Okay, 0.02, put 10 layering. Put as much as you think that you can still layering and hold your account. Okay, sustain your account. Okay, so you must calculate by yourself. Okay, other people seafood out there, oh, you need to put this kind of capital, you can grow, stick with this lot size only. If you want to follow that, go for it. Okay, for me, no. For me, I want to experience things. If I put this much, how much I lose? Why I always keep mentioning losing? Why? Because most of you don't know how to calculate your losses. You only know how to calculate, oh, if I put this much of layering, I profit this much. But you never calculate how much you are losing. Okay, because we are here not talk about profit all the time. We're going to talk about loss. Okay, how much you're willing to lose in trading. Because in trading, it seems like business. Okay, once you invest your money, once you put your money in MT4 and MT5, that capital is basically 50-50. Okay, either you lost or you profit. Same as business. Okay, we here. Okay, I'm here. Okay, to guide you how to minimize your losses and how to maximize your profit. Somehow we will recover. Like it or not, I will try my best to recover the losses. Maybe this week from Monday to Friday, right, we only lost twice. Okay, which is on Thursday I do live trade, we lost twice, right? You guys can see here. Okay, see this, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all profit, right? Thursday up to loss. And then some people started to whining. Okay, like they said, oh sir, I lost, I follow you, I lost. They won't talk about this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, they won't talk about this, they only talk about this. Tuesday, if you hold your layering, right, you will get 1.4k pips in trading. If you really follow my mapping, my setup, you have balls to hold your layering. This is how much you get. Okay, I'm not bullshitting you. Okay, I'm still hold this layering. Okay, I won't bullshit you for what? Okay, bullshit you for what? I'll show you some. Okay, see, I'm still holding my layering. Okay, this
still hold my layering. I never bullshit you. Okay? And then we lost. Then I promise you guys that on Friday, we do chill trade and we try grow our account. We did, you see? We focus on sell. See? On Friday, right? And then the price straight away go down for 350 pips, 340 pips, 280 pips, 250, 240. We are making profit every day. Okay? I don't know how you guys are not making profit. Okay? When you guys lost this, right? Started by ni, oh, I MC, I lost. But what happened on this? See? You don't withdraw? Is it because you're greedy? Oh, one more sir. I want to grow my MT5 account. I don't want to grow my bank account. So what's the purpose to grow your account? I want to flex with my friend. I do have 1000 USD in my MT5 account, right? Flex more important than become rich, right? That's the mindset you have nowadays, right? Okay. So how much capital suits you to make profit? I suggest you more than 200 USD. Okay, just nice. You don't believe me? You can ask. Okay. For those who deposit more than 200 USD, how much they are making profit? Okay, here people deposit more than 200 USD and I can show you they are making profit. They lost sometimes, but they will make profit eventually. Right, this one done. So yeah, I think thank you for joining.
Okay guys, that's how I built a complete gold trading plan before entering the market. When your plan is clear, your execution becomes easier and your confidence grows instantly. If today's breakdown helped you, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and tell me what topic you want next. I check every comment every day, okay? So, if you want to follow my trading plan in real time or trade together with the ATC community, join my Telegram channel, link in the description below. Alright guys, that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next video. Go pew pew!